Ready to supercharge your Wix website by creating a professional, organized online space with subdomains? First, log into your Wix account and head over to the dashboard. Once there, navigate to the settings on the left-hand side, and then click on the domains option. This is where all the magic happens. You will now be on the domains page. Here you'll see a list of your connected domains. Find the domain you want to use for your subdomain, and click the Connect a Domain button. If you do not already have one, you can purchase one through Wix. In the pop-up, select Use a domain I already own if the domain is external, or connect a domain to Wix if you purchased your domain through Wix. Now it is time to add the subdomain. Go to Advanced DNS Settings and create a new CNAME record in the hostname field. Enter the name of your desired subdomain, for example, shop if you want your subdomain to be shopyourdomain.com. Back in your Wix account, connect the newly created subdomain to the relevant page on your Wix site. This is where you link your subdomain to a specific section or page on your website. Once everything is set up, Wix will propagate your DNS records, which can take up to 48 hours after it is propagated. Your new subdomain will be live, redirecting visitors to the specific page or section you have designated on your Wix website. Congratulations! You've successfully connected a custom domain to a subdomain on Wix.